I wanted to take a minute here and say a big thank you to Michael over at Bait Chucking on YouTube. A while back I'd asked him, if he could maybe help me on my YouTube channel kind of grow with some baits, and I received some baits the other day in the mail, and boy was he generous. So I just want to kind of go through these, and if you get a chance, check out his YouTube channel. It's Bait Chucking, and the baits are 8-bit baits. So these are like a grape colored crawdad. I mean, they look amazing, so can't wait to try those. He also sent me these creature baits, and the color of these guys, I gotta tell you, they're like a creature style, but the colors are amazing. It's got an iridescent green, purple color with some glitter in it, so these are gonna be amazing. These are like sweet beavers. It's like blue on one side, watermelon on the other, so these are laminated baits, so awesome. Here's another beaver style bait. If you guys can see those, I know you can't, but I am going to take these out in a video on the lake, show you guys what they'll do. This is a ribbon tail, like a cut tail worm. It's like a grape color. You've outdone yourself, Michael. These are amazing. These are some larger style paddle tail swim baits. It's like a red shad glittery gold. It's amazing. Watching his channel is what inspired me to want to make my own, so I'm appreciative, very appreciative. These are like the straight tail, like a fork tail, small tail grub. It's like a green color. These look amazing. I mean, it wasn't like he sent one pack. He sent so many, I was blown away. There's a frog with some purple glitter. It's like a watermelon red flake. It's like a curly tail frog. Some red crawdads, Otter Creek. These are going to be amazing. I can't wait to try these out. More of the beaver style baits. These are more of a solid color. These I can't wait either. It's like a slender swimming tail swim bait. Kind of a larger style. It's got like a kick tail on. He has names for all these baits on his channel when you go check them out, guys. But these are going to be amazing by themselves or on a trailer on like a bladed jig. And of course crawdads. This is like that motor oil color that's hard to find nowadays. It's got the glitter in it. It's going to be amazing. I mean, all of these, it wasn't like he sent me the bottom of the barrel baits. He sent me some primo baits. These are the small crawdads. These would be good at Otter Creek as well, or pond fishing. And then these I can't wait. These are the larger version of the small green ones with the little kick tail on the end. These are like a realistic color of those same swim baits. And the last, but certainly not least, these are some frogs. I mean, I can't wait to try these at Fort Knox. It's going to be awesome. I mean, the detail in these is amazing. And it's got like a garlic scent to it, so once they hit, they won't let go. So I just want to do a quick unboxing again. That was Bait Chucking, Michael over at Bait Chucking. Please go check his channel out, support him. I know I always do. I love his videos. He's got a new shop and it's amazing. And there's the 8-bit bait logo, so go check him out, guys. Michael, I appreciate you.